Okay guys, back with box 2. Let's jump straight into it. It's going to be a long video guys, I'm so sorry, but there's always the option to stop it and play that later on if you so desire. Right, first up out of this box is a Metcalf low relief high street bank and shop, which is another cardboard kit, which is again very nice. Next we have, which looks like background scenery, yes, which it is indeed, which is mountainous landscape, which I'm sure somebody would enjoy having that. And this stuff's not cheap either. I don't think I found anything cheap in this hobby, to be honest. A roll of, looks like 30 gauge cable, which is always handy. Another set of signals. Another siding in full working order. Great. A partial coupler. More scatter, which looks like cork bark chips, which I'm used to using that in the invert hobby. Yeah, more rolling stock. A British Railway carriage through to the continent British Rail, which is a ferry van, and another sliding door carriage that's actually working as well. The doors open and close, which is another nice feature. More buffers. This is a piece of, which looks like it's some sort of crossing. I'm not 100% sure, I'm still learning. Here we have a power connector which goes underneath the track to connect the live and the neutral sides of the track. Some more Lima DMU windows for locos or centre coaches. Here we have a pack of couplers, simple auto couplers with double O and HO. That's those. Mystery packet here. Looks like miscellaneous parts, bits of wagons, which are always useful because I'm so damn clumsy, I'll drop a lot of stuff and break a lot of stuff, which will never change. And finally in this box, it looks like a part-built loco kit, which I will use these wheels on one of the kits that I'm building, which is die cast with bumpers, and it's actually an LMS 5-plank wagon, open wagon construction kit, and that's what it should look like, so I shall have a go at that. And once again, bear with me, I'm just going to pause again and come back to the next box, which will be the final box in this video.